guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to try out Pinterest inspired crazy Christmas makeup look. Now let me blast this out that whenever it comes to halka fulka girly wala makeup, I have kind of aced it, but whenever it comes to those crazy experimental makeup looks जो आजकल इंटरनेट पे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड भी कर रहा है, with those Sitara, Chan and planets revolving around the eyes. I suck at that. I truly suck at that. And huge respect to those makeup artists who create such look with that, professionalism wala touch. So as I'm going to create a makeup look inspired from Pinterest, and let's see whether I fail at it or I just pass with flying colors. That's up to you guys. You guys will let me know in the comments. So without further ado, let's get started. So when it's about Christmas makeup look, it has to be around greens and reds and all of that. तो मैंने ये तो फाइनल किया है कि lips एकदम cherry red होना है, and eye makeup मैं थोड़ा सा Pinterest पे सर्च करूँगी and then I'll finalize up to my औकात. Okay, I think I should kind of speed forward the base part क्योंकि ना वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हो जाएगी and it is as simple क्योंकि मेरे सारे वीडियो में मेरा base बहुत simple होता है, as you guys know, and I'll also mention the makeup video link in the description box, वहाँ से आप देख भी सकते हो. Let's do this. I'll firstly moisturize. Moisturizing वाला part I can't speed forward क्योंकि ये part है ना I really enjoy. And now I'll moisturize my lips and I'll use this Nivea Essential Lip Balm. So as you can see, my base is looking so simple and dumb go-to. Now I'm going to add a lot of highlighter. क्योंकि makeup look है और Christmas makeup look है, so it has to be glittery, it has to be shimmery. Now the highlighter that I'm going to use is this Maybelline Master Pro, my absolute favorite, and I'm going to use my fingers to apply it क्योंकि fan brush मिल नहीं रहा है. So my base is done, brows done, and I am feeling so good about my base. Don't know why. I feel I'm at the best of my skin right now. Now let's move on to the lipstick क्योंकि lipstick तो final है, red होना है, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Creamy Matte. This is in the shade Cosmopolitan Red. I was quite confused, but this is my favorite red. I haven't recommended any lipstick this strongly क्योंकि Creamy Matte is just my favorite from ages and it has to be my favorite like forever. And also I'm going to add this Nivea lip balm again to add that gloss to the lips. And ये तो मैं बचपन से ही करते आ रही हूँ. And let's move on to Pinterest and check the makeup looks that we have there. Pinterest. Christmas makeup looks. Let me categorize it to simple. Oh my god, is this simple? No, man. this is quite simple, but I don't think this is that suitable for Christmas makeup look. Let's move on. No, ye nahi, ye nahi. Oh wow, this one is so good and really apt for Christmas, and I feel ye thoda sa I can just try it out. Let me screenshot it. So basically this eye makeup look has a lot to do with blacks and the dark greenish thing. तो ये screenshot ले लिया है मैंने. Now we'll create this look. My hair is disturbing me. And we'll begin with the base color. I'm going to use this Maybelline the Nudes palette and this particular shade, just kind of patting it on my eyelid. As I can see here, it has a lot of blacks in the inner and the outer corner. I'm going to use this brush which we have with this makeup box only, not eyeshadow. So I have filled it this way, but थोड़ा सा harsh ends लग रहा है. For that I'm going to use this makeup brush and इसमें कोई भी color नहीं. I'm just going to simply blend this out so that ये थोड़ा soft लगे. And this का also I left the center part wherein I'll fill the green color. And for that, for the green color, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Makeup Pro palette क्योंकि इसमें जो shades हैं ना, they are excellent, and the green, oh my god, just that perfect green which we require for Christmas makeup look. I'm going to use this makeup brush that we have along with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this dark green eyeshadow color to fill in the center area. So I am applying it even more to kind of accentuate the greenish part क्योंकि वही key है इस makeup look का, and I'm going over and over again on it. Also I'm going to use the same green color for my lower lash line to kind of give that finished look. I'm also going to add this brown shade so that ये थोड़ा सा seamless लगे. And now I'm going to quickly finish off this makeup look, and the last thing that I'm going to do is liner and mascara. The mascara that I'm going to use is Maybelline Hyper Curl and liner is Lakme Insta Liner. I'm just going to make a thin liner. So that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. Also, the makeup creators and artists who create such blasting looks, oh my god, what a piece of talent they are. I kind of tried my best to match up to the look that we selected from Pinterest, and I don't know whether I failed at it or kind of passed with flying colors. You people will let me know in the comments, please. If I have to rate this look, I'll definitely give it a 7 out of 10. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down who is your favorite makeup artist. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_. Please subscribe to this channel. We are very close to 10,000 subscribers. I pyaar you guys so much. Bye bye.